Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry Tips and Tricks.
A 25-watt bulb emits monochromatic yellow light of wavelength 0.57 micrometer. Calculate the rate of emission of quanta per second. Okay, I will say a trick to solve this very easily. If they give power and if they ask to find of rate of emission, you can use this equation. Rate of emission is equal to power by energy of one photon. If they give power and ask to find rate of emission, you can use this equation. What is the equation? Rate of emission is equal to power by, it will be given in the question, energy of one photon that you have to find. Okay, see now what is energy of one photon? You know it is h nu, but in this question it is about wavelength. So you can write equation of energy of photon in terms of wavelength. What is that? hc by lambda. Okay, so what is the rate of emission? Power by hc by lambda. So this lambda will come to the numerator, right? So what is that? Power into lambda by hc. Got it? Now direct substitution. What is power? It's given in the question 25. What is lambda? 0.57 into 10 raised to minus 6 micrometer, right? By h. What is x? h 6.6 into 10 raised to minus 34. Okay, if you want you can write 6.624 and all. Okay, fine. Into, what is c? 3 into 10 raised to 8. On substitution, you will get 7.18 into 10 raised to 19. Okay. Now what is the unit? See, rate of emission means number of photons per second. So what is the unit? Second inverse, right? It's just like frequency. So remember, if they give power and ask rate of emission, don't waste time, directly write this equation, okay? Then substitute and you will be getting the answer. Hope all of you understand.